Have you ever wanted to control your house from your phone because you're too lazy to get up and switch a light on? Well, now you can, because TP-Link have some very cool Internet of Things products, and that's what we're going to be looking at here today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Alrighty, so Internet of Things. We have a couple of products from TP-Link and their TAPO app, which is basically going to be able to control these kind of devices. So you can wirelessly control power to the plug or via Bluetooth, which is pretty cool. Also voice control enabled, which is quite wild, I must say. Similarly with the light, you can dim it and it can do a whole bunch of kind of normal things that you would have to stand up from your couch. But in this instance, you can control everything from the phone. But the one that we are going to be investing our time in with this review here today is going to be this absolutely wonderful little camera that they've put together. Now this little guy over here is a full tilt pan kind of setup with a 1080p wide angle lens. It's got a night mode as well, so it can see in the dark up to about 10 meters, which is pretty good. But that's kind of not even the parting piece. The parting piece is this camera has a microphone and a speaker on it, and you can talk to the device pretty much from anywhere that you have an internet connection. As long as this is connected on your local network and has an internet connection, you can log in with your app to the camera and see what's on it. Now I've done this setup already. It literally took me all of 5 minutes, and I'll give you guys a little look into it now as I open up the TAPO camera thing. So when I started using it, the first thing I kind of thought of was, well, you can hear actually the audio coming through to the thing. I think I need to mute it actually. There we go. No, it's still picking up. There we go. Okay, cool. So you can, like I say, you can connect to this thing, you can voice call it, you can have like 8 other camera devices set up, 32 devices in total set up through this IOT kind of thing, and you can pan and tilt on the actual software app, so you can actually move the camera around and that kind of stuff to change what you're seeing, which is absolutely fantastic, I must say. If I go into it in full screen here, there we go, then you can see what I see, well, what the camera is seeing, which is our B-Rad there behind the camera, is our boy Brian. But if you're a parent, right, or you're a pet owner, then this is going to be able to replace a Nanny Cam. Well, it's kind of like a Nanny Cam on steroids, because you can, like I say, you can talk to it and it's got a microphone and speaker built onto the camera. And all of that is going to cost you a whole 599 Rand, which is just a staggering kind of price for something that basically is a security camera. I mean, and it isn't even whiting out as it's looking into our big light. It's not even losing its focus and that kind of stuff. It can actually see stuff and manages lighting profiles and stuff in the background automatically. It's just staggeringly good. Then it can still have local recording, so you can put a micro SD in it and record to it. So this practically is a DVR, an IP cam, a pan and tilt cam, and a communication device all in one for 599 Rand. That's absolutely staggering from TP-Link. So IoT, it really is becoming something that's quite affordable. And like I say, parents, pet owners, hey, if you want to communicate with your loved ones while you're out and about, this is going to be an absolutely fantastic way of doing that. Thank you all so much for watching. We do hope you enjoyed this review, and we'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.